Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to redeem your Spotify gift code. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So for this, open your Spotify, and after opening your Spotify, click on your username, which is at the top right corner. Mine's Vichy Kevin, so I'm going to click on it, and after that click on account. Then it's going to take you to its website. And then after you're on its website, you can just click on activate button over here, which is at the left side. And after you click on activate, it's going to take you to this page. Now enter your premium code over here and your zip code over here, and click on I'm not a robot to verify you're not a robot. And then click on enter the code. And then if the premium code and the zip code is correct, then you should be able to redeem your code from here, or your gift card from here. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'll be signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.